Hey guys, welcome to my channel Cyberflask. Today, I'm going to tell you how you can restore your old photos and even colorize them in 2 easy steps. First of all, you will need your image in a digital format. If you have a printed image, try to scan it, either using a scanner or simply your phone. If you are using a phone, make sure that there is even lighting. Don't use flash, and keep your hand steady. After you have your image in a digital format, go to website 1 from the link in the description. Simply click on Browse Files and select your image. This app helps to clean up your image from any scratches or fuzziness. After the image is cleaned, download it and go to the website 2 from the link in the description. Once on the site, click on the Upload Image button and select your enhanced image. From the options presented, deselect Scratch Fix and Face Enhancement, and only select Colorize, since we have already used the enhancement from previous app. The reason I did it in these 2 steps is because website 1's enhancement is just better. As you can see, the second website is credit-based. One of the reasons to do this in 2 steps is that it will save you credits. To get more credits, you can simply log in using other Gmail accounts, use temporary emails, or even use the Gmail dot trick. What is the Gmail dot trick? Click on this video to find out. Then just click on Start and wait for the finalized image. There you have it, a fully restored and colorized image. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and write a comment. Even a simple thank you will help a lot with engagement and ranking. Thank you for watching. See you next time.